What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers. Yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. But not even start the topic yet, people, and you hear them sound there. You know when NEWLINK said Jaja sees, Jaja knows, you know. And you know when me say, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK people. You know say something grimy me a talk about. You know say something. Yo, my people. Here I go on now. Me can't show no visual from these clippings. Only thing I can do, my people, is make you hear the audio because yo, this 1,000,000% you cannot see. No, sir. So my viewers and my subscribers, all me can do, people, is make you hear. You know what I mean? Hear the audio from this clip, my people. Then me I go into some words behind it, people, some info behind it, my people. Zine. But here wanna follow the Instagram, people. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow the IG. DM on IG. Make sure to follow it, people. Link up a few people. Me you can get it. You understand? Okay. So just listen to this, my people.
So with the front killer, you see me? Cut it now, stop chop, just cut it, slice it now, man. Yeah, man. So with the front killer, man. Turn him on. Yeah, man. So with the front killer, man.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, I never see nothing like this, my people. First of all, there is 2 videos that was sent to me, my people. You understand? 2 videos. Big up to my linky who send me the videos them. You don't know. Big up yourself, fam. 2 videos that was sent to me. The first one, people, when me see it, me not hear no audio in it. So me see it and me say, yo, no, this cannot be Jamaica. That's what me saying to myself because me never expect them something in Jamaica. We know so we have all the cases where people, them find headless, this and them do that. But me I say Jamaica, we not believe in them something for do certain thing and video. No, that's not our style. You understand? So me I say this is more some Spanish country, some African or some Asian thing. You know, this can't be Jamaica, my people. That's what me I say to myself on a real level, my viewers and subscribers. But my people, then another video was sent, my people, and when I open it, and that's the one where you hear the visual, you hear the audio from my people when I play. That's it. And you hear the talk, them people, that's it. It's Jamaica, my people. So this person, you know, people, the image and thing, you know, see people, named Dutchman, you understand, from Southside people in a Kingston, Jamaica. And basically, people, the body did find people. People, let me pause and give you a word from my sponsor. You know NEWLINK and Islandwide Express go way back. Our sponsor today is Islandwide Express. If you are Jamaican living anywhere in the world, whether England, Canada, US, Cayman Island, you can shop from your phone or computer and buy anything on the internet and have it shipped directly to your doorstep in Jamaica. And if you have a box and you have packet already, just simply send it to the facility in Florida and it will go straight to your doorstep in Jamaica. They ship packages big and small. If you want to send something to your people for the holiday season, check out Islandwide Express. You can see them on IG, YouTube, and Facebook. They have done loads of delivery videos. Give them a follow, Islandwide Express. Just check below in the description for all the necessary links. Islandwide Express, and them we are work with. And they make them find the body in a way where everything separate, my people. Seeing everything, cutting how much different parts people, and you can hear how much of the, because the man them like them have a dull last in people, and last one maybe in a shop from 1981 or from 17th century that they last in a shop 95, you know. It seem like I want last when Nanny and Paul Bogle they used to use in them days, slavery days people, you understand? Well, black people no file, nothing of the panic. So all them a choppy thing can't chop, and that's your people, them a deal with the thing like when they chop one old tough cow and tough beef, you know, people. You know what I mean? And now them a chop and chop and chop and chop. Zine? So this one who them take out name Dutchman now people and you can hear what them say in it. I saw we do friend killer. Zine? That's what they said people. I saw we do friend killer. So basically people, me no know where Dutch mix up in a, me no know where Dutch get up in himself in a people, Dutchman or ton pan or what people, but something behind Dutchman why them deal with them this way, my people. And you don't know people, we have this talk, say yo, when there's a friend taker and a friend killer, why not people, you're one of the most cruelest and dangerous people on earth. Zine? And this is how them finish him off, my people. You know, this is where Jamaica gone done to, you know, people. Eh? You know see what we turn now? It's totally different now. When I see the man them can take them phone and video them thing on my people. I mean I tell us the man we are do it people, the man have him watch on him and see him wear. And I like say man take no gloves, nothing. Everything natural. Yo, them a man now no heart people. Them a man heartless. You understand? Them a man now no, yo, me never know say me would have live to see people in a Jamaica like this people. Me used to see them thing upon some leak video where we watch and we send to my people. But honestly, me never expect to see them as something out of Jamaica. You know what I mean? And this is when them telling them people say, yo, we in a trouble, we in a problem. You get what I'm saying, people? And honestly, my viewers and subscribers, on a real level, you know, it's a cruel act. It's a wicked act, you know, people saying. But as me say, wanna listen, wanna hear what them say in the video, people. I saw we do friend killer. Zine? And just take a second, take a pause and just listen to what me I say, people. Imagine have your son. Imagine have your daughter. Imagine have your brother, your sister, my people. Someone who you love so much. And somebody take out them 3 points, people. You understand? And you do know the person, people, who take out the person 3 points, them gone in a people, but you know the perpetrator behind it. Perpetrator still alive, still a do him thing. Police now do nothing about it, and you know see him, people. You know what I mean? Not everybody can react the same way towards these things. Not everybody can hold it. Not everybody can look upon him on a daily basis, watch him going out, watch him coming in, watch him laughing and moving like a thug same way. You understand me, people? I know it's a cruel act. I know it's a wicked act. I know it's a brutal act, my viewers and subscribers for sure. But one thing me can say, my people, think about the ones he hurt. Dutchman, if it's true, say look at no man according to what they said in the video, my people. I saw we do friend killer. So Dutchman, you is really a friend taker. Dutchman, you is really a friend stepper, people. Honestly, from my heart, I could never support something like this, the manner and the way how they deal with this, my people. But as I say, people do react different to certain things. And imagine having a loved ones, people. You know the perpetrator who do it, walking and doing this, maybe bragging, maybe boasting. Seeing? People, Jamaica, I never did expect to see something like this, my people. Me say, yo, you know, me say, people, you know, when you have the meat on the mortar board And you chop like when you chop your old tripe and nails the people with the old dull cutlass. As me tell you, say one way like when Nanny and Paul Bogo they used to use and the ancient days them. Seeing no filings no go upon the people. All you do is clap, 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 clap. And in a move in a pull. Seeing and yo, no sir. And the man them have a shovel right. Them a people like them ready if it comes so boom and dash on everything and show where they want to show upon it. Eh? No sir. My people, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. And remember, follow the IG, my people. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow the Facebook, follow the Twitter. Remember, my people, make sure you follow the IG. You understand Twitter? Things are going to drop over Twitter same way, my people. Follow the IG. Follow the Facebook page. Link up DM through Facebook, my people. NEWLINK Production Official. Follow the IG, my people. Go over there now. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Type it in. Follow it, my people. DM way. You don't know the thing go. A few will be lucky. You understand? Not everybody. As me say, a few. Peace, love, respect. Be great and be safe. And remember, subscribe. So y'all go hear them topic, yeah. So y'all go get them story, yeah. Only from the Attacking Boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Peace out.